So today, guys, we have some spider webs to get rid of. Simple. But we're going to be using efflo F9 product to get rid of this red clay stain. And there's some mud as well. So we're going to go ahead and make a video on getting rid of all this. There we go. We're spraying the F9 efflo on the stucco. Hopefully the stain gets removed. The customer said that she just wants it to look better and then she'll be happy. So as long as Craig Harrison comes through, I think we'll all be good. Hey, make sure you soak it, all right? Put more on there. You want to make sure you put a lot of this stuff on, but you want to make sure it's not too strong, and you want to make sure you have F9 double eagle to balance that out for sure. See that? It's coming off right there. You see that? It's coming off. I hope that's not the stucco. Nice stuff. Now go lower.
And the stain is completely removed, even though it looks slightly faded. It's just wet.